Mike Love here, MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're going to take a walk through this brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. You can see it's got quite the profile, nice big boat, a nice white hull color with the matching white engines. Looks great, nice and easy to keep clean as well. This boat's going to be powered by the twin V10 400 horsepower Mercury Verados. Stepping up into the boat. Nice wide boarding ladder, makes it easy to get up. Walking in, a nice door in the transom here, as well as a nice side dive door. Easy access from getting in on the dock, or if you have the catch of the day, you can haul that big tuna in. Really beefy door, you can see that. And some really heavy duty hardware with the handle and the hinges there. Dive ladder as well can be fixed in, so if you're going to do swimming, nice easy access back up into the boat. In the back of the boat, you do see we have a nice bench seat. This can easily fold up. Just lift here. I'm with one hand, so tough, but lift here. There we go. Super easy to stow, even just one-handed there. You have a live well in the back, a storage for a 5-gallon bucket. On the floor, access into the bilge with 2 more 5-gallon bucket dedicated storage compartments. Fish boxes on both sides, as well as a nice backwards facing seat. Great spot to be sitting watching the lines. This can also fold down to be a nice table for entertaining space or a nice bait prep station. So really cool feature to have here on this 330 Outrage. Bolsters all up and down the gunnels, so super comfortable everywhere in the boat to be leaned up against for fishing. You have the tow rail to lock in when you're fighting that big fish, as well as rod storage underneath the gunnel on the starboard side. Battery switches are going to be in that panel there. And then coming to the helm, one of my favorite options on a boat is a nice step up for shorter captains like myself. You do have the refrigerator on the side underneath the lean post. Flip up and down bolsters, find what's comfortable for you. Really nice seat. Armrest that folds down in between. Looking at the helm, digital throttle and shift on those 400 Verados, joystick, a lockable glove box, leave your belongings on board if you go out, for dinner or anything in this boat, and then nice 2 twin 16-inch Simrads, really big displays, everything you could have on these between radar, sonar, charts, anything you could need. Mercury vessel view integrated on the side. Lenco trim tabs with the LED indicators there as well. A nice full windshield, great protection underway, and a vent at the top if you get a little warm on those summer days. Radio box overhead. High and dry storage for PFDs and plenty of rocket launchers off the back. This also is going to be outfitted with some taco outriggers, as you can see there. Nice easy access up to the top as well with the steps along the side. On the starboard side here is going to be access to your head. Very, very wide opening, so super easy to hop in there. A nice sink for cleaning off. This is a wet head. You can pull that out to rinse off. Dedicated storage for your dive door. The vacuum flush head there. It's going to keep everything nice and simple, and some additional storage as well. This will also give you rod storage. You can see the 2 black teeth section there where you can stick rods through, and that'll go into your coffin box. Moving to the bow of this boat, huge lounger area. This is the best seat in the house, whether you're riding offshore or just cruising in the back bays. Comfortably seats 2. Throw those armrests down. A really comfortable seating spot, as well as a massive storage compartment underneath. More 5-gallon bucket dedicated storage. And here's where there's going to be all your rod storage as well. This is lockable. If you want to leave any of your gear on board overnight, you can do so with peace of mind. And then, of course, Boston Whaler, every side of every piece of fiberglass is going to be finished. Really nice craftsmanship by Boston Whaler. JL audio all throughout the boat. Another storage compartment underneath here. We just have the covers in there at the moment. And then a wraparound seating in the front. So nice hangout spot here to be entertaining.